right? Week 15, Linux. Going live.
Hopefully the sound is better.
Well, I disconnected my awesome Frisbee microphone. I'm gonna have to probably take it apart, which I probably should have anyway, since I got this crap in it.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm gonna take it apart and try to fix it, but not for the rest of the semester. So it's out of commission, and hopefully that means my sound will be more reliable. If it's not, then, well, I'll throw the internet connection under the bus again. But I hope that's actually the reason why things aren't working. Yeah, my computer mic isn't as good, but it still works. And hopefully it's at least intelligible. I don't know. I hope someone watches this and gets something out of it. So this week, we're going to finish up. I'm going to finish up getting Samba working with getting that Windows machine joined to my Samba domain controller. So hopefully we can do it. Let's make sure everything is running. So system CTL status, not status SMB, no, it is status SMB. That's running, that's good. 35 KDC, right? It is dead, that's not a good thing. All right, it's restarted, should be good to go now. Let's also check DNS, named. It is dead, so we're going to a system, CTL. I don't think I've mentioned this before, but to enable a service from the command line, you do an enable. So I'm going to do that for that KRB5 KDC, so every time my system runs, it'll now start up. Okay. And system CTL enable named and system CTL restart named. And just for giggles, we'll test it. Okay, it's good. What else? NMB? It's running. That's good. Okay. Samba server Mercury. Let's do a Samba server Mercury is now a domain master browser for workgroup Lactea. Awesome. What's that? So we're good. We're good there. Let's actually. I'm gonna open up another terminal so I can remote desktop. That's not it, is it? That's it, though. No, that's not what I wanted. There we go. And our username is administrator. Oh. No. I'm not a huge fan of what I made. You know why? I think it's admin. Yay! Okay, so an active domain controller could not be contacted from Lactea. And not like I think it's going to work, but maybe. Yeah. Oh. Actually, this is a different error. The domain name Lactea might be a NetBIOS domain name. In this case, verify the domain was probably registered with WINS. If you are certain that not a NetBIOS domain name, then the following information can help you troubleshoot DNS. The following occurred when DNS was created for service location. A resource record used to locate an active directory domain controller for the domain Lactea. The domain DNS name does not exist. So let's ping Mercury. Oh! All right, let's fix that. Properties, advanced. I don't know why this would change. Lactea, yeah, okay. Why are you not working? Oh! All right, let me check my configuration again. Let's see, netstat. It's running. Ah, I bet it's firewall. I knew I was forgetting something. There we go. Query refused. Well, that works. Huh. All right, let's just for giggles, I'll try this again. Holy crap! I don't think we got this far last time.
Yay.
If that works, I'm gonna be so happy. Okay. Oh, that's okay. Let's look at our event log. What is that? Do I have an event log? No. No, there. I hate how slow the event log is on Windows. Well, that provides zero information. And that also does not provide hardly any information. Thanks for nothing. What's that? It is. Tomorrow is May Day. No. All right, so that was totally useless. But let's look at our logs for Samba. Let's see if maybe there's an error on our side or on the server side. So I'm going to go to cat var log Samba log.mercury. Nope. Let's just do log star. Because everything in there starts with log. Actually, I'm going to go in there. Var log messages. No, not messages. Sorry, Samba. And I want to see. All right, some of these, like this log.smdd, let's cat that. It's saying there's something wrong there, maybe. Ignoring unknown parameter share modes. Okay. I don't care about that. Let's do log.nmbd. No, looks good. Let's see, what else is updated on the 30th? Nothing, just those two. Neat, nothing, no errors. I love when that happens. So what we are going to do is go to the documentation because I have no idea what else to do. Let's look at DNS because it could be something related to that. Let's copy this and do a let me make sure my system is set up. It is not. That could cause problems. Uh, 193, I believe. So it looks like I need these bind. I'm going to go look at my instructions on how to set up bind. Oh, interesting. Looks like we can automatically set up. Which version of named am I using? I'm using 9.9. So let's see if we can do this. Oh. Oh, jeez. Okay, so where was I? Bind 9.8 include. Oh, maybe that'll work. I doubt it, but. Nope. But let's do an update DB. And while that's running, I'm actually going to background that. Let's see what I have to do. Interesting. I don't have some of the things here, but let's actually go back here. This is a draft, but for which version? If you guys remember, was it the security guide or the network administration guide? I think it was the system administrator's guide. No, because I distinctly remember using the. Oh. I think it was the security guide. Let's try that. All right. Nope. Nope. Maybe it is here. Maybe it will work. I don't know. Let's see. All right. That was awesome. Useless. I think my update should be done by now. Let's look. Go locate on names.conf. And it doesn't appear Samba has created a file for us. So thanks, Samba. Well, let's try this anyway. I don't know if this has GSS API. Actually, let's go back here and do a names-v. And it should tell us if there is. Yay, it's enabled. This GSS API is saying that it's required. And ours was compiled with that, which was awesome. No recursion, fine, forwarders. Actually, I should probably do that to mine since I'm using that. Let's set up our forwarders. What? Oh, 20 dots. What's going on? Need semicolons at the end. Oh, I screwed it up. That didn't help. Journal TTL. Come on. Oh, missing semicolon before recursion. Probably because this little curly brace here, I need a semicolon as well, because unlike curly brace languages, it needs semicolons everywhere. We restart it, and it works. I still don't know exactly what I need to do. So this is the realm of the unknown. Not the best place to be, but during provisioning / upgrading. Well, no, it wasn't. Thanks. Okay. Well, I'm kind of at a point here where the documentation is totally lacking in what I want to do. So let's Google some more. And let's just go ahead and say Fedora because, oh, awesome. Negativo 17 does not seem like something I should trust. I think I can get a consensus on that Negativo 17 shouldn't be trusted. That's not too bad.
I got the bonfire thing.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, really?
We can do it, Steve. We have the technology.
Haha. Dang it. I get to like the last point of this whole thing, and it's like, oh yeah, to get all the tools that they have in upstream, they don't have that yet, so you need to do this. But they're saying it's fixed in Koji, but that was a long time ago. Holy crap, they've already got 23 packages out yet? Fedora 22 hasn't even released yet. The FC 23, FC 22, that actually stands for Fedora Core, because back in the day, like when I was younger and like 10 years ago, I first started using Fedora Core 4, and that was the name of the distribution instead of just Fedora. Everyone just called it Fedora, so they dropped the core somewhere around 8, I think. Now I've got to look that up. Bang G for Google. Fedora Core 6. Dang it. It's close. But yeah, I first started using it. I actually had downloaded the version Fedora Core 4 as like the beta that they had out, and it was awesome. This is what Fedora Core 1 looked like, just for those of you who are interested. So you can see why, like when I go to use this, how much I love the fact that it's like this used to be. Yeah, and you can see how quickly they release these things. It started in 2003 and is now, it's 2015, and Fedora 22 is in beta. Yeah, supposedly. They never make it on time. But anyway, that's cool. I was wrong on that. But why this isn't working is a little beyond me. Because literally all I'm missing is the DNS stuff. What's that? No.
You didn't take this class when Dan was teaching it. It was just a train wreck. I mean,
there's a possibility that Dan will watch this.
There's a Libby. Oh, damn, you're awesome.
No, I mean,
no, but I mean, it's not that it was bad. It was just what, like the first time we had ever done that class.
No.
So no. It was a hacking class, though.
Oh, hacking, yeah. That was different. Linux, totally different.
No, yeah, Linux was fine, but hacking was just stop and go.
Yeah, but that's okay. I'm going to try to figure this out. So basically, where I'm stuck is Bind should automatically update with all the stuff that Samba wants to put in it. But there's a bunch of service records that Active Directory does, which is really stupid. But it's the way it works. There's like, for a single domain controller in Active Directory, there's like 6 different DNS names that need to be updated with that information. And it's kind of silly, but it is what it is. And Bind can be configured to automatically update to reflect what Samba wants. But that's not happening. Let's go back here. Oh, what? When was this published? February 2014. You can grab the latest Samba packages from Koji. The first patch is for disabling MIT Kerberos integration and enabling Heimdall. What?
Heimdall? Open the bypass.
Why? I actually should read that bug report then, huh? Current spec files aren't allowed to rebuild the package with DC. Modified on this month. And please tell me, oh no. Wow, awesome. So who wants to learn how to make RPMs? I hate it when this happens. This bug appears to have been reported against Rawhide during the Fedora 22 development cycle. Changing version to 22? Are you kidding me? This has been around for 2 years, and they haven't fixed it yet. Well, that is just ridiculous. All right, well, here's a thought. Instead of me building my own packages, I'm going to do something that no one should ever have to do, but I'm going to do it just to see if it'll work. What I'm going to do is I'm running Fedora 20, so I'm actually lagging behind you guys a little bit. In terms of day-to-day operation, it's really not a big deal. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a package from Fedora 22 on Fedora 20 to see if it'll work. So Koji is the build system for Fedora. They basically, it's an automated build system where you provide it the input files and it automatically compiles and builds the packages for you. So this one, 421-7 for Fedora Core 22. There's a lot here. So I wonder, copy link location. Let's see if I can just do a x86 isn't going to work. That's okay. Let's see if I can download all this. I'm going to go to a directory. I'm going to make a Samba directory. I'm going to go to it. And I'm going to do a wget-r. Let me double check that. I believe it's lowercase r for recursive of this URL. So what that should do is download all of the packages from this directory. Let's see if it works. This is looking good. So this is basically what Yum does for you, or
You like it?
so this is basically what DNF or Yum does for you automatically is downloading packages, and it'll automatically install them. Now, I'm doing it manually because these aren't in a repository that I can access easily, and I don't really want to set up a repository just for these files. So I'm downloading all the files. I'm going to install them manually and hope that nothing breaks horribly. I will warn that in the past when I've done this, things break. Wait, no. No, I don't want ARM. Oh, well, neat. Well, it looks like I got everything here. Awesome. So cool. This is 421.7. Apparently my usage of wget, I'm a little rusty on. I'm sorry. I'm going to do it yum install /star.rpm. Seriously, don't try this at home, kids. Okay, so no, that's not going to work. So how else can I get around that? So libsmb client. Wait. Nothing provides samba-com. Needed by Samba. Nothing for Samba comment. Needed by Samba client. Systemd.so. Let's see if I have any packages. Yeah. I don't think that's going to help. So, should I go to beta? I mean, that's not supported at all, but it's worth a shot, right? No, I'm not going to do that. So the problem is it actually requires a package that I can't get because systemd is it's a pretty core bit of your system. Basically allows services to start and that sort of stuff. Now I'm really, really angry that this is like the one thing that's holding me back. How am I going to work? I'm just going to do it manually. I'm going to go into Samba 4 domain controller find. I'm going to go to this, and where it says testing your zone, they had a series of, or maybe it was here. Where they have testing DNS here. where you can look this stuff up. Let's just try. I don't know if it'll work. I probably won't. But open up a new terminal. Not found in its domain. Let me look at my bind configuration. Actually, history, grep, name. That's fine. I'm just going to manually put these in here. Not a good idea, but I don't care at this point. I just want it to work. Kerberos dot UDP dot lactea. No, not dot lactea, just that. In SRV Mercury. I'm also going to, because this one has that MSDCS, I'm also going to put that in here. I don't know if it's required, but it really won't do any harm to have it in there. This is a PC1 in a Mercury. Out. That's not gonna work. That will. Okay, so now I should do this host dash T SRV of Kerberos dot UDP dot lactea. Dang it. Why? Okay, well, let's just try if Windows likes it better. Specified domain is either not exist or cannot be contacted. This is where Wireshark could come in handy. Yeah, I have Wireshark. So, Wireshark is a packet sniffer. And what I want to do is I want to see everything that is not friggin' TCP.port not equal to 3389, which is RDP. Actually, it's not TCP, not TCP port equals. Okay, so I got rid of all of the remote desktop, which is what I'm doing here. So now I should be able to do that and go back here and try joining it. This is one of the most hacked up things I've done. Was what?
I'm trying to get this 15 gigabyte password file. I don't know if to open up.
Is that what?
I don't know that inside. The password file I downloaded.
Oh, nice. What format is it?
Gigabyte.
Nice. You have to have like off track or something.
Oh, darn, I was gonna say. What? I just tried to copy and paste it in there.
So I'm trying to look here. There should be the SAM logon request from 50 to 193. Well, let me make sure this works on my side. Let's do a K list. Oh, K in it. Here's at Lactea. Oh. No, K list. Okay. Net. Something. Net. Status. Net. AS. Kerberos. Path. Huh. They call it admin. Is that what I called it?
Yeah.
Nope. Nope. Valid account name. Oh. Oh, there we found a problem. Mercury lactea is not found. Okay, the machine is not set up in Kerberos. Well, that helps a little bit. Nope, I don't think that's going to help. Definitely not going to help. This might help. That is not going to help. Let's see. Well, this was where it is in here somewhere when we do hold on. Where was it that we added? Aha. Oh. Maybe I need to. Really? Maybe? I don't know. Let's try this. Huh. Nope. No logon servers. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So we're close. All right. I think I did this one, right? I'm going to do it again, just in case. Oh, I remember this. It was SE, right? Okay. Yeah, I remember this. That was using RPC. So let's do net RPC. Let's do net RPC. Test join. Not fetch trust account password for domain. Lactea. Lactea failed. Hmm. Interesting. So there's stuff actually running. Very interesting. Um, Great. Um, okay, great. I want to. What do I want to do? I want to join. It never talks about joining the system to its own domain. Great. Yeah. How do I create a user? Well, that doesn't help at all. Okay, well, that helps. Hmm. Let's try this one more time. Let's see what this shows here. Three, four PDC. It basically didn't respond successfully. Let's do a cat bar log, KRB5 PDC log. Hmm. Testing DNS, configure DNS, testing your small domain controller. MGP. Sweet, none of that works. Let's go back to this, see if these guys have any usefulness. Firewall configuration, provisioning domain, which they use all of that, which would be very helpful if it worked. Great. Okay, that's all there. NTP, don't need that. DNS. Got. Starting services. Yep, that's fine. Don't care. Wait a second. That's actually a good point. Never mind. If the time is out of sync, so this one says 7:52, mine says 7:52. So time has to be in sync in order for a Kerberos to work, but that's not the case. Thought it was, but it's not. Let's try this, what they suggest for testing SMB client-l Mercury you. Huh, okay. Bloody hell. So what we're gonna do, I don't really want to. Here's what I'm gonna do for next week. I'm gonna show you guys that it's gonna work. So I'm gonna go get Fedora 22 and do everything I've done to this point, just so I can get this bloody thing working. And I'm pretty sure if it's an open case for Fedora 22, that they should fix it, have it fixed soon. Who knows? Maybe not. I'm kind of a little bit upset that couldn't get it working, but that's the way it goes sometimes. I hope that this isn't just totally boring and useless for you guys. I hope that by some stroke of pure luck that you're able to absorb some information out of this. So anyway, thanks guys for being here, and for those of you sending emails, let me know what you guys are doing. That's awesome. I will. Yeah, make sure you're. Oh man, I feel bad. So I hope that everyone's sending me email to the right address. My Google account is steven.butler@gmail.com, not steve.butler@gmail.com. I don't know who owns that address. My name is ridiculously common. Like, literally, everybody has my name. If you don't believe me, Google me. Yeah, yeah. I am all of these guys. That guy's got a sweet haircut. Yeah. So, yeah. Anyway, all of these people have my name, which it gets even more diverse if you include my given name, full given name. Apparently, I'm a fighter, and this dude, and
He has killed guys before.
why not? This guy. I don't know. Anyway, I hope everyone is getting some out of this. I think I'm gonna call it a week or a night for tonight, and keep sending me emails. Thanks, guys. Yes. Yes. Hopefully everyone's getting that. I'm gonna stop broadcasting.